Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Gyashuddin. Guys, welcome to the Gypsy School. Last day I said about what is heat. Guys, I also said source of heat. I said at last electricity, heater, bulbs. This is a source of heat. Another one, chemical reactions. Guys, from the chemical reaction, we get heat. It is very important and it's a energy in all. We are learning physics, and for understanding physics, we have to realize matter and energy, guys. Now we are learning heat energy, and we got heat energy from the source. Which are those? Main source is sun, is natural source, and combustion of fuels such as wood, coal, gas, okay, and electricity, heater, bulbs. From heater, bulbs, we get heat. Chemical reaction, from the chemical reaction, we get heat. Guys, now we learn effects of heat. What are the effects of heat? Increase in temperature. Heating water raises its temperature. Increase in temperature. Okay, heating water raises in temperature. Raises its temperature. Guys, is a one effect, and another change of state. Guys, from solid to liquid, we could change. In which way? By applying heat. Okay, we can change the state of solid. Guys, you know all, ice is a solid. Ice, right? Ice is a solid, and from ice we could get water, liquid. How? By applying heat. Okay, by applying heat we could convert ice into liquid, and from the liquid we could get gas. How? Ice, liquid, okay, and from liquid could get gas. How? By applying heat. Here, from ice to liquid and liquid to gas, we have to increase heat. We have to increase the temperature, guys. But when we try to convert from gas to liquid, liquid to ice, that means gas to liquid, liquid to solid, then we decrease the heat. That means decreasing the temperature. It's very important point. And when we convert from solid to liquid, that means melting. That is melting point. Okay, and when we convert liquid to gas, then evaporation. Okay, and called it is called boiling point. Okay, water to vapor and gas to liquid. Okay, from gas to liquid we will see that condensation. Okay, and example, vapor to rain. Okay, and liquid to solid, that is called freezing. Okay, if we convert liquid into ice, that is called freezing. Okay, the temperature at which we can convert liquid to ice, that is freezing temperature, freezing point. And if we convert gas into liquid, that is called condensation. The temperature at which gas is converted into liquid, that is actually, that temperature is condensation point or condensation temperature. And evaporation or boiling, when we convert heat into gas at a temperature, that temperature is called evaporation, boiling point, water to vapor, guys. And if we apply heat we get expansion of a metal. Metal expand when we apply heat. And production of work, guys, you will get this concept from our SSC heat and thermodynamics chapter. Okay, heat engine work by using heat energy. Okay, this is the effects of heat: increasing temperature, change of state. Third one, expansion of metal. Fourth one, production of work. Guys, heat transfer method. Now you know heat is energy we have to transfer from one point to another point. And in my wave class I said heat can be transferred from one point to another point, from one place to another place. And, that's why you have to know in how many types way, in how many way we could transfer energy. There are three types of transferring method. One is conduction, okay, conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction, convection, conduction. Okay. Second one, convection, and third one, radiation. Radiation. By this three process, heat can be transferred from one place to another. And now I'm going to discuss conduction. Conduction, transfer of heat through solids. Metal rod heated at one end, you could get other end. That is conduction. For conduction, we need solid medium. Okay, transfer of heat through solids. And convection, convection is a process by which way we can transfer of heat through liquids and gases. Boiling water, sea breeze. Okay, that means transfer of heat through liquids and gases, that is convection. Finally, radiation, transfer of heat without a medium. Guys, sunlight reaching earth, we get sunlight, we get heat from the sun ray, and sun ray comes without any medium. By radiation we get heat. Okay, here there is no medium. Transfer of heat without a medium. Guys, there are three processes of transferring heat. One is conduction, second one is convection, and third one is radiation. For radiation, there is no medium. For convection, mediums are liquids and gases. For conduction, medium is solid. Guys, just now we have learned the source of heat and effect of heat and heat transfer methods. That's all today. Assalamu alaikum.